Morning. So, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. So, today I start the online class of class 10 arithmetic progression. This is the chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP, and we have discussed it is a plus n minus 1 d. So, today we will discuss the sum of n terms of an AP. Suppose we take an AP a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on up to nth term, that is what, a plus n minus 1 d. Suppose these are the n terms of an AP, n terms of an AP. From here to here number of terms is n terms of an AP. Now if we have to find out the sum a plus d plus dot plus a plus n minus 2d, then here we get a plus n minus 1 d. Now we write this sum in reverse order. We know that 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 is equal. So reversing the order also, it does not affect the sum. So we will write the sum in reverse order. A plus n minus 1d a plus n minus 2d plus here a plus d and here a. Now what we will do, suppose this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now we add 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, we get s plus s 2s. S plus s is 2s. Now this term and this term we will add a plus n minus 1 d. This one, this term and this term we will add. So it will be twice a plus n minus 1d. Here also it will come twice a plus n minus 1d. And the last term, this one and this one, if we add, a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1d. So here the number of terms is n. So twice s is n into twice a plus n minus 1 d. So s will be given as n by 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 d. So this one can be written as n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 d. So this is very important. This is the sum of n terms of the AP. So now you write s equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1d. This is one of the formula, very important formula. We have did the deduction. Now This is very important. Now S will be equal to n by 2. Twice A, I can write A plus n minus 1d. A plus n minus 1d, because twice A we can write. Twice A I can write as A plus A. So now this thing you see, this one is an equal to A plus n minus 1 d. So in place of A plus n minus 1 d, we can write as A plus an, where what is an? Where an equal to nth term, where an equal to nth term. So these are the few formulas you have to remember. Now in place of this an, we can write as n. If n is equal to an equal to last term. If we take an as the last term, suppose A1, A2, A3, this is the AP, suppose up to an. Now this after an there is no term, then this term is called the last term. So these are a few formulas of arithmetic progression. Hope you have understood well. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me over the phone. So next class we will do the exercise and some problems related to the arithmetic progression. So thank you.